Hi guys, welcome to Fast Learn Listening section. In this section, we are trying to strengthen your listening. For this, in the first step, you should just listen and write everything you hear on paper. And we will give you the listening again along with the text. And you should compare it with what you wrote on your paper. Let's go to progress.
Number 4. Make up stories. If you need to memorize a lot of information in a particular order, try to put the pieces into a story. It's important that the pieces are connected to each other with some kind of plot. So, if you accidentally forget something, you can always recall what was supposed to happen next in the story. Yes, this might seem like you need even more effort, but it's true. Believe us, it works wonders. Number 3. Use a tape recorder. Actually, does anybody use a tape recorder anymore? Well, record the information somehow you are learning and listen to the recording a few times. Yes, it might take you some time to get used to the sound of your voice, like I had to do. It might seem strange or unpleasant in the beginning. This method is handy because it allows all types of memory work. First, you read the information so you saw it with your eyes, and then you heard it with your ears. The more contact you have with what you are learning, the better you memorize it.
As I said, I will play the listening again for you along with the text, and you should compare it with what you wrote.
So, if you forget one of them, the second one will help you recall. Number 6. Build your own mind palace. And this is about Sherlock Holmes again. Do you remember how he could travel in his mind palace for hours, looking for the necessary information?
Get out, I need to go to my mind palace.
The idea is to associate certain things with a certain place. For example, if you are in your room, try to connect the thing you are learning to something in your room. Repeat it a few times. After that, try to recall what the room looks like in your memory, and repeat the things you learned this way. Or try this. Divide all the material you need to memorize into a few parts. Learn these parts in different parts of your apartment, or better, in different places in your city. This way, the memorized information won't be something dull or boring. It will be associated with some other memories, smells of places, people you saw there, and so on. Number 5. Use nail words. The point of this technique is to nail one learned thing to another. For example, if you need to memorize the French for nail, you should also look up wall, hammer, and other words you can logically connect to nail.